I'm Rhonda and welcome back to our kitchen. Tonight I'm going to be fixing just a really quick and simple side. And I have had several of y'all ask about this after you saw my last video with the Hawaiian chicken. So I'm going to show you how we do that Hawaiian rice. Now, it may look like a lot going on here, but it really is not. I've got ham, I've got some onion, I've got some red and green bell pepper. Now, you don't have to have red and green. I just like all the color. We got a little tidbit, pineapple, and some eggs we're going to have in it, sesame oil, soy sauce, little garlic, little olive oil. Just things that you should probably already have in your kitchen. So I'm going to start with chopping this onion, only because, look at me with my onion, only because I've had somebody say, hey, I purchased that chopper and I can't figure it out, okay? So I'm just going to show you how simple it is. Now, I did tell this person, and I done chopped my peppers in it, it's not nasty. I did tell this person, I said, honey, you got to beat this thing. You got to slam it like it owes you some money, okay? That's all you do. And this is what you end up with. That saves me so much time in the kitchen prepping. Might have to do it one or two little pops, but it gets it done. I mean, it ain't no joke. Look at there. Chopped so quick, so easy. So, got my little onion chopped. So now I'm going to get this pan warmed up, and I'm going to show you how quick it is to just put this together. Alright, I'm just going to put a little splash of some olive oil in here. I'm sure a little bacon grease would be really good in here, but I'm going to go with this. I'm going to use sesame oil too, and so I don't want to use it this way and to finish it on top of it. Alright, we are going to put, go ahead and begin with these onions and peppers and ham. Get that a-rolling. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. Y'all, this is what I call my country walk. That's what this is. Just a frying pan, y'all. But it works. So, no worries. We'll get all that. No, it smells good already. I do wish we had some smell-o-vision. Now, I use the shortcut on this ham. You can buy ham steak and cut it up, or even just with leftover ham. I'm telling you, this is a good meal for like after Easter or anything when you got leftover ham and rice. Because the rice that you use is actually better if it's been cooked and you've gotten it cold. So perfect for leftovers, perfect. And I'm just going to cook this down a little bit, and I'm going to be careful with seasoning it though, because that ham has got some salt in it, and the ham has salt, the soy is going to have some salt, and you can use reduced sodium if you like, but I'm going to be careful with salting this right now. Y'all, I've worked all day. I was going to come home and get my hair all fixed up, and I told Russ, I said, yeah, I ain't going to do it. I ain't going to do it. What you see is what you get, honey. I'm not here to catch a man. We're here to cook. Yeah, we're here to cook. Right. So I am looking like nobody loves me today. And looking like only Jesus loves me, and he does. But this is what we got going on today. It is Friday night, exciting Friday night. But yeah, after working 10 hours, I was just like, I don't have it in me. My little dogs are tired. So this was perfect, quick, easy, something good, and you can put this alongside anything and be just as proud as punch. But you've already got your ham in there, so you got your meat, you got your protein, you got your veggies, you got your starch with the rice, and you even got your fruit with the pineapple. So it is balanced
It's gonna be supper.
It's gonna be supper for us.
All right.
We might have us something good beside it, but we've been enjoying some fresh vegetables. So I've been enjoying having some sliced tomatoes and fresh cucumber out the garden. It's just been delightful. Our favorite time of the year.
Yes.
So see how this is just cooking down? So nice. It's just getting tender. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of the minced garlic in there because that just, listen, your flavor just pops with a little garlic. It's going to be so fragrant and delicious. Give that a good little stir. Now, I'm going to go ahead and get my eggs. I've got 3 eggs. And I'm going to just go ahead and just lightly beat them. Don't want to just beat the daylights out of them. Like we do the chopper. Just a little light. Because what we're going to do, we're going to just scoot everything to the side and I'm going to scramble those eggs on the other side of my fancy wok here. This is almost ready. So, now if it starts to stick on you, whenever you start to do this scrambled egg, you can just put your little piece of butter on it and, you know, ain't nothing wrong with that. So, I'm actually going to do that. I got me some little butter right here. Give me a little piece of butter. Give me a little knife. Just a little bit. We don't need much. Alright. We're just going to scoot all the little friends over to the side. I'm going to go ahead and put that egg in here just like this. Y'all see how quick this is coming together? I mean, it is so simple. I'm just going to give it a little scramble here. I am going to season my eggs. I'm going to put me some black pepper on it, a little bit of salt, and just scramble them. Not much with salt. Just going to move it around. This is a good omelet too, I'm just going to tell you. All those little peppers and onions. This makes an excellent omelet. It is a good combination, I'm telling you. We just work this together. This can easily be done in 15 minutes flat. What takes the most time is actually cooking those peppers and onions, just getting them softened up. The rest you just pour and go, honey. Ain't nothing to it. Quick and easy. Alright. Alright, now that is scrambled, now we're just going to mix it all. They're going to become real good friends, just BFFs all in my little country walk. Now, the next step, I've got about 3 cups of cooked rice. I'm just throwing it everywhere. So, we're going to put that rice in here. And you cook this long enough because now all this is done. So you just cook it really long enough to warm up that rice. Get it all mixed up in there. Just go get all of it in there. And it makes a big old pot of it too. Now you can reduce your ingredients if you don't need this much. Alright, now while I'm giving that a stir, you need about a tablespoon of sesame oil. About a tablespoon. Sesame oil really goes a long way. That looked like I put a lot on, but it really probably wasn't enough yet. And we're going to go with about 2-3 tablespoons of soy. And I'm just going to eyeball it because I know what color I want it to be. Just trying to give y'all an estimate of what it is.
Oh, yeah, it's looking good.
It is looking good. And don't it smell good, Judge Russell? It smells fantastic. Fantastic. Yummy. Now, we're not done. We still have one more thing to go in here. If I don't quit throwing this stuff, we ain't gonna have nothing left. There goes the leftovers.
Oh, no.
All right, we're gonna use a cup of pineapple tidbits, and y'all, that is just gonna enhance that flavor, that sweet and that savory all together. Listen, it is good. It is delicious. Now, give this all a good little stir. So, a cup of pineapple. Man, so good. That onion's about to jump ship.
We don't need that.
We don't need that. We just don't need it. I'm going to add just a little more soy in here. A little more soy sauce. I smell that sesame. Smells like we have gotten takeout and we have not.
Yes.
That's what it smells like. Just going to add some more soy. And this is why I have not salted, okay? I will add some of that black pepper, but give it all just a kiss of black pepper, just a little kiss. And really, it's ready. All I'm doing is warming that rice back up, getting the pineapple warmed up, and it is all ready. I'm going to turn it up just a little bit. That's it, y'all. Now, the only other thing I'm going to do is put just a sprinkle of green onions in it. And that is really going to make it pop. But look at all those pretty colors. Just colors everywhere. See how that red and that green pepper just really makes that dish look so colorful. Alrighty, you ready to taste this, Russell?
Oh, I can't wait.
Alrighty, I'm gonna just let it warm through just a little bit more. It's pretty much there, and you can give it a little taste. Tell everybody what you think of it.
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
All right, y'all. It's just that fast and easy. We've got us some dinner. Come on in, Russell. He's ready for it, y'all.
Hey y'all. Hey Dad, I ain't said hey to you in a while.
No, you've been falling down.
I've been
on
neglected.
the job.
I've been
You have
neglected.
been neglecting him.
Yep. Y'all. Woo-wee.
Good stuff.
Very good way to use leftover stuff.
It is. Utilize them leftovers.
That's right. That's right.
Yes. The rest of the things you probably already had, maybe not some pineapple.
Yeah,
but that's just the thing. I mean,
pineapple in it is big time though. It's good.
It really
It's next
is.
levels. It really does.
That sweet and savory really works well.
We had it last week, and it was very, very good.
Fantastic.
Yeah, we debated on whether to put it in that video, to be honest, but
We did.
we decided to make one of its own, and we had a couple of our regulars
Yep.
ask about the recipe, so here it is.
Here we are.
Y'all didn't have to wait long.
You didn't. We just found out today because the chicken just came out today, and so I rushed home. I was like, I know what we're doing.
Yeah.
So rushed home and got it together.
It's a great quick meal for like
So
when you work 10 hours
Yeah,
and need something fast.
sure is. Well,
I'm going in.
go in for it.
Y'all, this bowl,
Without further ado.
it's not a trough. It's really not. It's not
really
a whole
not.
lot.
It's not.
But I could eat one, I'm just telling
He
you.
said that looks like a really big serving, but it's really not.
That's delicious. I mean,
Yeah.
That's as good as any Asian restaurant you'll go to. I'm telling you right now. Y'all make that recipe and you won't need to go do no Chinese takeout.
Well, it's technically Hawaiian.
Whatever you want to call it. It's fried rice, got the eggs, it's got some ham, which it ain't pork, but well, it is pork, but you know.
The pineapple is what makes
It is. It really
Hawaiian,
is.
I guess. Good stuff.
Very.
So quick, easy, delicious. Y'all try this. Try this one.
Give it a try. Pair it with that,
with that
grilled chicken. I'm telling you, you talk about going good together. That stuff goes good together there now. That's a great meal.
Yeah, it is. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much. We are now going to go have supper.
Yes, we are.
And sit down, as I tell him in the afternoons, I say, I'm going to sit down and mash it.
I said, what are you talking about mashing? What you going to mash?
And every now and then he'll say, what is it you call it? I said, we about to mash it.
Yeah.
We going to mash it. So.
I don't know where she come across that, but okay.
So
I'll go along with it.
Yeah, so we're going to sit down and have some supper, and I'm going to mash it because I'm tired.
Right.
But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching.
Yes, we
hanging
appreciate
in there
it.
with us. So anyway, until next time.